Here we go, Frankie doing a personal box of Optic fast break. Josh Okogie here, Minnesota Timberwolves, gonna help you break that and see what we can get out of it. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, nice. Where's home for you? Georgia? Is it relatively close to Atlanta? Or no? Oh, 20 minutes? Oh, okay. I feel like there's quite a few Atlanta guys here today.
That's how I went to school. Open all of them?
Yeah, yeah, 4 mountains, and we'll want. It's up to you. I can open them and hand you cards, or you can open them too. Don't matter. And then what we're looking for, well, I don't have any of them in here, so I can't really show you. And there's none in there either. We're looking for like really sparkly. You'll see what they're like this. You see how that's like crazy looking? That's what we're looking for. There you go, boom. So I got a Terrence Ross and mine, Frankie. What we got here? Oh man, Wilt the Stilt. There we go. Chamberlain. Oh, there you go. Zach Randolph to 155. Purple. What sport would it have been if it wasn't basketball for you? No? Really?
Never played another sport.
Really? Oh, wow. Greg Monroe. Fast break. Nothing there. Bam Adebayo. Adebayo. I forgot how to say that. I'll put that one in there. I like him. Jason Tatum.
Steph Curry, baby.
There we go, Steph. Hey. I've got an orange Greek freak, little Giannis.
Hey, is that from The Office?
193. Evan Turner orange. Number to 193, Frankie. Oh, nice auto. Ryan Arcidiacono. Autograph. Nice, Wiggins. Andrew Wiggins. Oh, a nice one here. Kyle Kuzma. Rookie. I got a base back. You got a base back? Nothing. Nothing. All of them? I think so. All right, Frankie, there's your box, brother.